Right, any medication, illness, stress, alcohol?
No habla.
No habla. I thought we had more fuel. I thought they were both tabs.
Maybe one side looked that way.
Yeah.
We got plenty.
Okay. This is what's going to separate the boys from men. What's your weight?
175.
But I'll tell you what, we'll bump this up to 50 for that stuff. Good. Beautiful. Confirm.
Sorry, what was that? Yes, sir. I didn't hear it. Yeah, I don't have it on yet. All right, thanks.
Good. Weight and balance. Good. Okay, we have fire extinguisher hammer. It's still there. You briefed? I briefed you?
Yeah, we're good.
Seatbelt secure. Sun power connect. Brake set and hold. Master on. Which is the only reason I can read this. Yes. Strobes on. Make sure. I'm just gonna do clear prop now. Clear prop! Power. What's temperature? Do you do 190? Or hot start?
Yeah, I just do regular cold start's fine.
Cold start? Okay. 1, 2. I didn't go to the checklist for this, by the way. Keys. Nice. This is a great idea. What? They never do that. Ready?
Ready.